Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at these curls. This video is sponsored by Curlsqueen. They sent me these clip-in extensions and I'm super excited to share the details with you guys. So this is what you get in the bag, some accessories, so that's always a plus. This is the hair straight out of the bag, guys. You guys can see the curl, you can see the shine. It's definitely good quality hair. I've worked with Curlsqueen before and I'm super excited to work with them again, guys, just because I absolutely love the quality. So this is the hair freshly washed. Make sure you guys definitely wash the hair so it kind of like blends in with your natural hair. So as you guys can see, the bounce, the shine, everything. This is definitely one of my top clip-in brands. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my hair. I'm just having 2 braids in the back. Make sure you clip it in place. I'm gonna go ahead and start with 1 clip in. As you guys can see, this is how it works. You basically just unclip each one and then you go ahead and just place it on your head. I kind of start from the bottom up, work my way up. I feel like that's definitely the easiest. If anything, you can always come back, add more at the bottom. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. This is definitely self-explanatory, or you guys can just keep on watching. So here guys, I feel like it definitely needed a bit more, so I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the bottom part, and then I'm gonna add a few more at the back as well, just to kind of have like a fuller look. So that's what I'm gonna do, and it definitely does help with the volume. It definitely did help with the overall look as well. So it depends on your head, really, like your head shape, your head size, but I definitely did need the extra 2. As you guys can see, definitely a lot more thicker. So this is how the hair looks. I'm gonna go ahead and take out my leave out part and basically just style it as well. So this is how it looks. It looks a bit crazy just because it's just freshly washed hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this mousse from GHD. I love this mousse, guys. It definitely gets the job done. So I'm just gonna go ahead, apply it on my leave out, blend it in, work my way through, and basically just kind of make it match, you know, make it blend. So right here, I'm just gonna crunch the curls. I absolutely love how it's turning out though. As you guys can see, it's definitely a good blend, a good match as well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just add these two smaller sections to the front part of my face just to frame it. You definitely don't need to do this, but it definitely also helps with the volume in the front area. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, but you guys will definitely see the difference. But yeah, definitely optional as well. So here you can see a slight difference, not that much dramatic, but I mean, it's your preference. But I definitely love the overall look when I definitely added the two smaller section in the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same on the other side. So guys, this is the end look. I'm just gonna fluff out the hair, but what do you guys think? I definitely love how it came out. Make sure you guys check out Curlsqueen. They have so many different textures, so it's very inclusive. And also guys, make sure you guys check out the link to this direct hair in the description box down below as well, and also to Curlsqueen website. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. This is how the hair looks from the back, guys. It's definitely blended. You can't see no tracks. Like, I really did that. Okay, I love this look. I'm definitely gonna be doing it again. But guys, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other video guys you want to see, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.